Hello guys, I'm back with another tutorial also in Microsoft Excel, and today I have something interesting for you because many of you have been wondering if you have so many numbers, so many columns with values, and you need to do an Autosum without really inserting the formula manually. Then what should you be able to do? So I've prepared some random numbers for you. These numbers have been randomly selected, and they are easy for you to do the Autosum so that you can confirm that the formula really works. So the question is, what if you need to do the Autosum across, that is the horizontal? So you have these two figures here, 20 and 30. Of course, we have said that the numbers can be as many as possible. So if you need to do the Autosum and you need the Excel Autosum in this cell here, then what you need to do is, first of all, you need to select the values. So if you have 2 values, 3 values, 10 values, or even hundreds of values, you need to select both of them by highlighting them. Then you check on your Excel on the top, when you're on your home menu, on the top right corner, there is something called Autosum with that sign there. So you click on that drop down menu, and then you are going to get now the various functions. For now we are interested in the sum. So if I click on the sum, you realize that we have a figure of 50 here, the one that I've highlighted in yellow. This figure is out of summation of these two numbers here, which is 20 and 30. So again, you can also be able to do the same for the next numbers. We repeat the same process. Then you go to the Autosum function, and then you click on sum, and you get your value over there. So what if the other question that you may ask yourself is, what if you need to do now the Autosum vertically, going down, such that if you need to add these 3 values here in these cells, what would you do? So you do the same thing as you have done. You select all of them. You can either select them by left clicking on the first value, then you drag up to the last value, or you can just press the control button and then press the other values. So let us stick with mine. I select all of them going down, that is vertically. Then I also go to the Autosum, then I click on sum, and I'll get the value here, which is 140, which is as a result of these 3 numbers here, 20, 50 and 70, to give you 140. So we do the same with the other column here. We highlight the same, and then we go to again to Autosum, then click on sum, and then we get our value there, which is 110. So that is how you use the Autosum function in Excel to make your work very easy, to be able to do summation of huge numbers that you desire to do. For the next tutorial then, as you have seen that from the Autosum, we have other functions such as the average and also the count that you can be able to use very efficiently. So on the next video, I'm going to show you how to do the average of the numbers, either the horizontal, that is on the rows, or on the columns. Again, as always, thank you for watching this video. I'm hoping that you have already subscribed to my channel. If you have any question, you are free to do so on the comment section. Also, share this video with your friend for learning purposes. Goodbye.